salt. This is white vinegar. So sometimes this accumulates dirt in here. You want to ensure that you wash it, even this part. I'm just putting the carrot. I'm blanching it for 3 to 5 minutes. This add this as well. So this is the carrot after we are done blanching it, and it's still very crunchy. So I've added some ice for it to cool down, and then I'm going to speed up the cooling process. What our frozen mixed veggies look like. So I've broken them. I'm going to put it into a ziploc. That's what our mixed veggies look like. And I'll zip it up back, and I'll just store it in the refrigerator. So try making yours. You can add peas to this, but I just did carrot and the green beans for now. So you can add peas to yours when you're making it. It's the same process. You wash and then you allow the peas to be soaked in water overnight.